Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your network and freeing space, because connectivity and storage often cause C04a. First, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular and try a different network. Once done, force close Snapchat. Make sure you have at least 500 MB free. This prevents failed writes. Next, open the App Store or Play Store and update Snapchat. Updates patch bugs that trigger C04a. If the update is unavailable, note your login details and proceed to cache and permission checks. Now you tackle the middle steps that often resolve C04a. Clear Snapchat's cache and settings app Snapchat storage, then reboot your device because a restart finalizes cache changes. Check permissions, enable camera, microphone, and storage if any are denied. Snapchat needs them to load content. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it. These can block authentication. Once done, try logging in again. If Wi-Fi is flaky, test with cellular tethering to isolate the network as the cause. Finish by reinstalling if the problem remains, because a clean install removes corrupted files causing C04a. Uninstall Snapchat, restart your device, then reinstall and sign in. Make sure your username and password are correct. If the error persists, try signing in on another device or via Snapchat web to determine if the issue is account versus device. Finally, if nothing works, contact Snapchat support with your device model, OS version, exact error, and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.